Hi, I'm Andy and I'm documenting a real journey of turning 3.87 acres in East Yorkshire into a genuine rural enterprise. Today's focus really is showing you the coop. The idea behind it is we've built it at home. Gary, my friend, he's kind of built it mostly, did help here and there. But the idea is we use the coop to proof things before we do the bigger picture on the field. So we're looking to get some chickens, which I'm supposed to be collecting with Gary today, but with football tournaments, weather and other things, Gary's had to go get them, meet the guy who was selling them, and obviously bring them back. So we didn't document the structure build of the coop, but you can see the idea behind it. They've had a bit of a trip today as well. They've been brought in on a truck to the supply where Gary went to, so they've had a bit of a journey, and at the minute they seem to be pecking away at the food and the water and the ground and scratching, so they all seem quite happy. The roosting coop needs a lid on still, but it's decent weather so they can roost wherever they want at the minute. We're going to put a lid on, and then, so it's an enclosure. Overall, very happy. They all seem to be settled, pecking away, calm. They have flown up on different levels, so they aren't just keeping on the ground at the minute, which is good. We've got some poultry conditioner as well. Again, it's been described as like the sweets for the treats for the chickens. So as you can see, they all seem to be interested straight away, running over, trying it. But it does really smell like aniseed or ouzo, if you want to compare it to a drink. Next video is going to be where Gary met the seller, who buys them in, looks after them, advises people. He's in North Lincolnshire. Really nice guy, really friendly, knowledge, probably over 20 years I think he says. But have a listen, and hopefully he'll explain a little bit more.
Right, here we are. We're about to come and collect our chickens from this gentleman, Sean. Hello, Sean. How are you doing? You all right?
I am very good, my friend.
First of all, thank you so much for opening today on a Sunday to help me, because I'm busy during the week, so I couldn't make it. And Sean, your name of your company is?
Outgate Poultry.
Outgate Poultry in Scunthorpe. And
just on the outskirts between Scunthorpe and Doncaster.
There we go, Scunthorpe and Doncaster on the outskirts. And here's the chickens we've come to collect, selecting from these. They are point of lay, and the make is, the breeders?
We call these brown Rangers.
Okay, that's the word I remember, Rangers, yes.
That's right.
Good.
Yeah. A lovely, easy going bird, easy to look after.
Fantastic.
Friendly, really suitable for people who are starting.
Fantastic. And I got to say, Sean, I phoned 4 or 5 suppliers. Geographically, you were the furthest from where I reside, but your friendliness, your willingness to help me and teach me and show me what to do was outstanding.
Well,
and hence the reason we traveled the extra, I would say, 20 miles.
The difference is this is our profession. This is what we've done for 20 years.
There you go.
We're not backyard.
Which is what I'm intending to do, just a few for my own consumption. So anybody interested in starting up, and it's not as hard as you think, and it wasn't as expensive as I thought to set up my little backyard chicken coop and whatever, come and see this gentleman, Sean, who will look after you. And one more time, the name of your company?
Outgate Poultry. But if you are thinking of starting, rather than look at the books, rather than looking online,
speak to you first.
Take the telephone number, have a conversation.
I'll put the phone number on this link when we post it. Thank you, Sean.